YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Curly Blends, you know what I'm saying? And today, I'm gonna be showing y'all what I got in the mail, you know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. Right here, too. Keep it locked, stay tuned. Alright, YouTube, so I got my first package right here, you know what I'm saying? What the package look like? See what's inside, bro. I think it's my scissors, my thinning shears, and my regular scissors, and my Barber cape too. Yeah. This is the cape, you know what I'm saying? This is what it came with. Types of stuff. This is what it looked like. So I got a comb. I got a weird looking comb. I don't know what this is called though. Never seen that before in my life. I got a couple hair clips. Pretty nice, you know what I'm saying? Finally, well, I got this thing. I don't know what this is for. If y'all can go down in the comment section and explain what that was, I don't even know what that is. I got a microfiber cloth right here. Finally, getting into the shears. Ooh, look at that. This is some premium quality, guys. Luckily, it fits my fingers too. This is gonna be effective for when I'm cutting hair. Finally, we got the thinning shears. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, YouTube, that's pretty much what it came in that box. Now I'm finna show y'all the second package, alright? Alright, YouTube, so pretty much this is the cape right here. Forgot to show that, you know what I'm saying? Just a regular black cape, you know what I'm saying? Cheap quality, but it's all good. I'm just beginning anyway, so that's how it look like. Alright, YouTube, I'm finna show y'all the next one. Oh, YouTube, next up. We got the Tomb 45 shave gel, you know what I'm saying? This is gonna help me, you know what I'm saying? Use the razor on my clients. It's easier to get a crisp line without cutting them, you know what I'm saying? Because that's one of my greatest fears, cutting somebody. So this is gonna help me out a lot. So yeah. Next up, YouTube. I got the next one. Let's go. Oh, YouTube. I don't want y'all to see my address, but got the big boy. Got the big boy, you know what I'm saying? And here are the clippers. Check me out. We got the Whal seniors. We got the Andis. T outliners. You know what I'm saying? YouTube. So first off, we finna unbox the Whal cordless seniors. Aight, we finna get into this box right now. Here we go, YouTube. So now we finna get into this box. Holy crap. 1999 or 1919. Oh my gosh. There it is. The Whal seniors. Cordless. Come on. Oh my goodness. Can't believe I'm holding this in my hands, man. This is beautiful. Man, I've been watching reviews on this for a minute, and they're right. It is kind of heavy. It does have some weight to it. This is a beautiful clipper, man. Nice. I'm gonna put it right next to the Whal mat we got in this box, man. We got the charger. Beautiful. And also, I believe the premium guards are in here too. There they are, the premium guards. And there's also the oil and the brush. And this is the unboxing of the Whal cordless seniors. YouTube, this is the unboxing of the Andis cordless T outliner lithium ion trimmer. Let's get into this box. YouTube, let's get into this box. Ooh, hoo, hoo. Wow. Let's get it out this bag real quick. Wow. These are the Andis T outliners, cordless. This is an amazing clipper. Wow. All right, YouTube. Next up, we got the charger. You know what I'm saying? Dang, this thing feels heavy. Wow, this feels some weight to it, you know what I'm saying? But it looks nice though. All right, YouTube, now we can open this up. What is this? Congrats on being one of the first to get an item with the new logo. Wow. Don't care about that. I believe this just has the guards in here and the charger. Indeed it does. So here's the charger. Here are the guards. Yeah. This is the unboxing of the Andis cordless T outliner. What an amazing clipper.